The Board of Immigration Appeals just changed a rule that has protected immigrants for 14 years, and if you have a pending green card application, this affects you directly. So today we'll tell you exactly what has changed and what every Indian must know before booking their next international flight. Namaskar. My name is Neha Upadhyay and this is Ecos Global. So here are the exact facts. On August 13, 2026, a US immigration court called the Board of Immigration Appeals issued a major ruling. And here is what it says. It says if you travel outside America on something called Advance Parole and you previously had any period of unlawful stay in America, that trip could now trigger a 3-year or 10-year ban. You could be blocked from coming back to America for years, and this overturns a 2012 rule called Arrabally, which had protected people from exactly this risk for 14 years. Now that protection is gone. So what is Advance Parole? It is simple. It is a travel document. It is given to people who have a pending green card application. It allows them to leave America and come back without losing their place in the green card process. For Indians who need to travel to India for family visit, emergencies, weddings, funerals, Advance Parole has been very important. It said, go home for a few weeks, come back safely. That is what it does. But now, for some people, using it to travel could be dangerous. Now here is what the 3 and 10-year bars mean. Under the US law, if you were ever in America without legal status and then you leave, you may be banned from coming back. Less than 1 year of unlawful stay, a 3-year ban, but more than 1 year of stay could cost 10-year ban. The old 2012 rule said, but not if you left on advance parole. You were protected. But the new August 13 ruling says no. Even if you left on advance parole, if you had any time unlawful stay before that trip, you may be banned from coming back. That is a big change. Now, who does this affect? It affects people who have 2 things. 1, any history of unlawful stay in America. 2, travel on advance parole after August 13, 2026. The groups most at risk include DSCA recipients, TPS holders, people with pending green card applications, and people with pending asylum applications. For Indians, think about anyone who overstayed a visa at some point or had a gap between jobs in H1B or had any period of uncertain status. If any of that applies to you, talk to an attorney before you travel. Now, very important point. This ruling does not affect everyone. If you have always had legal status in America on H1B, on F1, on a valid visa, and you have never had any unlawful stay, this does not affect you directly, and it only applies to trips after August 13, 2026. Old trips are protected by the old rule. Now, why does this matter for Indians specifically? This matters because Indians often face complicated immigration situations, a job loss, an employer switch, a gap in status during a visa change. These things can sometimes create brief periods of unlawful stay, periods that may have seemed minor before, but that matter a lot now. If you have any history like this and you have advance parole, please talk to an attorney before any international travel. Now you can do 3 big things right now. First thing, if you have advance parole and you plan to travel, talk to your immigration attorney first before you book any ticket. Second thing, do not assume that because travel was safe before, it is still safe now. The rules have changed already. Third thing, if you have any history of status issue, get a legal review of your immigration history. Know your risk, because not knowing is dangerous right now. So I think these are the things that you need to keep in your mind always. The time is changing, the immigration rules and laws are changing every week. So if you like this video, make sure you share this with other Indians who are in America or who are planning to file their green card or who are planning to travel to India. That's all in this video. See you in the next one. Till then, this is me, Neha Upadhyay, signing off.